What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy again, back at it again with another YouTube video. Today, y'all, we got another project on the books. It's a 2005 Toyota Avalon. I just want to let y'all know this, that when you buy from this auction and you buy these type of cars that like you buying wrecked and stuff, what happened was this car got towed to this lot or whatever, and after a certain amount of time they just put it up for auction. I ended up buying the car. When you buy these cars, you buy them as is, so you can't hear them run because it ain't no key. You know what I'm saying? All these cars out here, most of them don't got a key. And we're gonna get the key made, and we're gonna see if this gonna run. I'm lost just as y'all is. I don't know if it's gonna run or not. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick walk around before we do all that. All right, y'all. Here's the damage. So yeah, as y'all can see, obviously it's not in the best shape at all. Show you the inside, man. These people kept this car nasty. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the airbag's long, but I can replace them myself. Yup. So it definitely needed cleaning and stuff, but yeah, we gonna restore this one. Y'all, man, I just had to show y'all, man. This is one of the cars that sold at this auction. I just bought the Avalon from. Yeah, this thing is banged up bad, like bad. Like the airbags went off, front messed up, and this is another part of the damage. But man, y'all would not believe what this car sold for, man. It's a 2017 Dodge Charger RT with the 5.7 in it. Man, this thing sold for, if I remember correctly, either $1,500 or $17. Man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I could have bought this just for the motor, man. But if y'all know about the 5.7 Hemis, y'all know that these motors are just, well, I ain't gonna say as expensive as the 6.4s, but they still expensive too. But like, bro, for $1,500 or $1,700, whatever it sold for, bro, I would have bought it just to buy it, bro. Come on now, it got, bro, I don't know, man. Alright, y'all, so when I go ahead and get the key made, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the video of the first startup. I don't know if it'll start up, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I have no clue. Yeah, if y'all wondering why I'm working in a white tee, I don't know why. I did not even know I was gonna be working today, bro. I don't know, bro. Alright, y'all, right here I had to cut off the volume because music was playing in the background, and I didn't know because I was sitting there trying to look at the frame at the same time, so I wasn't even paying attention. But as y'all can see right here, the frame is twisted, and when I bought the car, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, Brian, I was not really paying attention to it. I didn't really care to take off the bumper, but this is my mistake, y'all. Like, this is something that y'all need to know. When y'all go to the auction, make sure if you buy a car with damage, make sure you check everything. Like, learn from my mistake. But we got it straight. Like, my body man was cool with it, and yeah. And then right here I was explaining how when we was driving it, the engine and transmission was good. So mechanically, we was good on this part. But yeah, that's all I had to say.
A few moments later.
How long I told you I was gonna be here?
20 minutes. You said 20 minutes, but it's less than that, honestly. Alright, yeah, we got all the parts. That's the old bumper right there. The whole radiator support. Then we got the upper radiator support. Then the radiator. Then the condenser. Fans and stuff. And then the rebar. And then the shock rebar. Whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we got all the parts. Yeah. Yes, sir. Now I'm about to go get the hood that I got. Yeah, I'll catch y'all back in another clip. Just got the fender out this joint. Man, these mosquitoes did not give me a good time, man, at all. Yeah, another part down. Yes, sir. Man, if y'all made it this far in the video, man, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel, man. We are on the road to 1K. I would really greatly appreciate it if y'all just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and go ahead and comment down below, man. I'm open to all answers, questions, and concerns y'all may have. Alright, you guys, the next day we finally got this car put back together. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold up. We got it back together. It took us less than 24 hours, so I'm gonna name the title that. What I'm gonna name it? Rebuilding this car in less than. I don't know. I'm gonna name it something like that. But yeah, we got this car rebuilt in less than 24 hours. Y'all gonna see the whole process, or y'all can see it before this. But I'm just saying it now because I'm right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this, and yeah. Yep, as y'all can see in the previous clips, we did go get used parts because I was not finna pay $400-500 just for a front bumper. It just was not finna happen. And the inside is really dirty too. I'm not even gonna keep on complaining because what I bought this car for, I don't care. What I did today, I went to go get new tires, just for the back though. The tires was, the fronts was good. I'm gonna show you the inside. Like I said again, it's dirty, y'all. So yeah, really dirty. I put tape on the airbag because it was irritating me. But yeah, I'm gonna go, I don't know, I might go sometime this week to go get an airbag and just swap it out. I also gotta swap this one out. Shouldn't take me long at all. Yep, dirtiness. Hold up. I mean, yeah, but the car runs good though. Car run good. Aside from all the dents and stuff, it turned out good. And I just can't believe how fast we got it done. I just can't believe it at all, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tell y'all the whole process of what we did. So first, as y'all seen in the previous clips or whatever, the beginning of the video, I did get the key made. Got the key made, did the first startup like I told y'all. We was gonna do the first startup, got the first startup. And then I was confused on how we was gonna get it to the shop because one of the tires was flat and it was also hitting the front, so the radiator was bad and stuff. So what I did, I ended up getting the air compressor from my body man shop, got the air compressor to the car, pumped up the tire, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and chance it because it's only a couple minutes away. His shop is like, all right, so you got the auction, and then you got the shop right here. I see 3-minute drive, so there's no way it can overheat that quick. So we did, started the car, got the tire pumped up. Well, got the tire pumped up before, so we gonna have time. And then we just drove it to the shop, and it drove good too. And then after that, what I did, I pulled off the parts, the headlights, the bumper. Y'all seen in the previous clips. I pulled all the stuff down. We figured out what parts we needed. After that, we went straight to the yard, got the parts that we needed. I'm just running this down for y'all. I'm just running everything down because y'all probably a little confused. I just showed a bunch of clips and stuff. So we went to the yard, got all the parts that we needed from the yard, and then we just went back to the car and started the whole process. But yeah, the next video y'all should see of this car, it should be me cleaning it up. That's the first thing I want to do to this car. Other than the tires that I just got today, this should be the next thing because I'm tired of riding around in this. Man, I'm trying to tell y'all, this AC is so cold. I wish I could feel it. But it's not comfortable riding around in this car like this at all. Like, I don't even want to ride in it no more. This is going to be the end of this video. And the next time y'all see me, y'all should see this car clean also. So, yeah, y'all go ahead, like the video, comment, and subscribe. And, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.